Hey, this is Tyler at Black Diamond Carpet Cleaning St. George. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a truck mount on a job that we're doing today. So the first thing you want to do, definitely have your glasses and safety mask on, your gloves and your booties. But I'll show you how to get and work the truck mount first. Get the machine to start priming the gas, filling it up and pulling the choke in. I'm going to start it on up. Just the choke in. Give it a little throttle. So we're doing some pre-spraying right now. We're going to keep it at 200 psi for the pre-spray. So this part of the room has the most traffic stains, but I can get them out with the Rotary. Show you. Be pre-treating all of that. Got some Pro-Chem solutions, really strong. So I'm going to be mount using this fiber rinse from Pro-Chem for the final rinse. We use the Ultra Pack Extreme for the pre-spray. Now I'm going to show you how we turn on the machine. Put it on. It's already warmed up, so no chokes needed. How you turn on the truck mount. We're gonna go inside, take a look at the rotary wand and get it going. So this is the rotary wand. Right here, you're gonna turn the valve and adjust the flow. And then this is the trigger right here. And this is what spins it underneath. I just got done. We use some of that Stain Master, and it helps with odors and soils from getting into your carpet. Bridge Point Maximum SOS. I'm gonna do a quick walk through. Show you what we got. This was what. It's how the original valves. It smells nice and minty. No more traffic stains there whatsoever. Now it's guarded. And I ran some dryers in here to dry it a little bit faster. Looks really good. Carpeting, nice, tough. This carpeting is really old, but it came out really good.